Ladies and gentlemen, man, it feels good to be back with you guys again. I know it's been a minute since my last video. Whole lot of things have been happening, but today we're a team early. In this box. These ain't even out yet. And they won't be out for like another month, so I'm actually excited about this. But I haven't bought a dope pair of shoes since the last video that I did. I take that back. I've actually got a couple different pairs of shoes that I really love. Shout out to Epi, who also does EG3 customs, some of the dopest customs. So if you have some sneakers that you've just been sitting in your closet, you haven't done anything with, hit him up. He will make them into masterpieces. So shout out to the boy. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you, oh, they're upside down. Boom, baby. These are the Adidas Gazelle indoors, but these are the special ones because they're for Bad Bunny. They come out on August 17th. Of course, you know, we get everything a little early over here, you know what I'm saying? But let's get into it. So here are the shoes, as you can see, Adidas para Bad Bunny. Let's get into it. This is just so you can kind of see some extra details about what's going on. Of course, size 13 for your boy. You know how we be doing. All right, right off the rip, of course, they give us an Adidas bag. Shout out to Adidas. Okay. I don't know that I'll ever actually use this bag, but man, this is a good hefty size bag, like genuinely. Like this is a really nice bag. Not bad. Here it is. The Adidas Benitos. Of course, if you don't know, that's obviously Bad Bunny's actual name. This is probably the only thing I'm not a big fan of, but it'd be all right. People know I'm rocking skis. It's really nice. Really nice shoe. Adidas branding on the gum sole here. Here's the other shoe without the tag. And this actually has a, yeah, that's probably a better look right there. Adidas para Bad Bunny. Rope laces, which I actually do like these rope laces. I think they'll look dope once I lace them up. There's a double tongue in here, which is kind of cool. Just some extra super awesome dopeness up in there. We got a BB on the shoelace. Of course, you know, I'll get you guys an on-foot look to these bad boys right here. And then the extra thick insoles, and this are actually probably better look for you guys. Adidas para Bad Bunny. And shout out to Bad Bunny for doing this, because these are thick. These are definitely some thick boys, and these are gonna be the ones that I'll wear. Just because they, you know, when you're wearing the other shoes, they're pretty low to the earth. These are actually a little bit chunkier than the regular Adidas indoor Gazelles. They're chunkier than the Sambas, and you know what, man? I have a wide foot, so we'll see. We'll see if I can pull them off. But I wanted the Gats originally, and the Gats are like $400. The sizing is in euros, and they don't really make giant shoes, which your boy has skis. So I need a big giant shoe, and this right here is gonna do it. So I'm excited. You know I'm gonna put the fire look together. I mean, we come fresh, so we stay fresh. So I'm excited for you guys to see this on foot. I'll put together something dope for you guys. Hope you guys like it. Peace.